Okay, back again. Well, I'll put my top board on here. It's just a bit of plywood. It's probably about five I looked at my watch there. It's probably about 5mm thick. Just screwed it all in here. I've put the piece here. There was a piece of metal on the van that stuck up, so I just put a piece of wood behind it as like a washer. Put 2 bolts through it and put the angle piece of metal, put it underneath. As you can see where those 3 screws are there, that's where it's gone underneath the plywood, and I screwed it in. And then the bit that was sticking up, as you can see there, probably a piece of wood behind it, and then 2 bolts. I've got to tighten them up because I don't have a spanner, so that's all I've got to do. But yeah, so all good. I stained it all just to keep it a bit drier, and so it doesn't dry out really. And I put felt on all the legs under here. I put one under there as well. I've got to take that tape off. So it's got to be screwed down, tightened up here, but the van's shaking when I move it, not the bed. So happy with that. And I got a bonus out of the other pallet that I had. I had a small pallet, so this is going to be my bike stand. So I'll probably go in here, back wheel in there, and I'll probably have to turn my front wheel around. The van's not that wide, but this is 3 inches and my wheel is 2.6, so it's perfect. Whether I shorten down, I don't know, I'll see what happens, but it'll sit in here and then I can tie it down. But that was from the second small pallet that I got. So that's a bonus for anyone that's riding a bike. If you want to make yourself a like a bike stand, the wheel will fit in that. I might have to move this, it might be a little bit short, but we'll see how it goes. I haven't tried it yet. But it's halfway there, so I don't have to make one. Just basically convert it and change a few things. So anyway, let's go around the side. So, same thing here, felt on all the feet, just to make it a bit... Now, I don't know, you can't see in there. I'll take it around and show you the bolt. This is all flush to the edge here, hanging over slightly here, and then slightly at the edge as well, which is fine. Sanded it all down at the edges so it's not going to get splinters in my bum when we get on it. And this is perfect height. I can sit in here and my head doesn't touch the roof, so I'm happy with that. I can sit at this side here, out, or sit at the back, whatever. Anyway, that's all good through there. Come forward a little bit more. I got my measurements wrong when I put that in, but yeah, so I'm going to get an air mattress because I can use it for 2 things. You put it in a tent or put it on here, whatever. Yeah, very happy. Right, let's go around and I'll show you the... I can just do it here. I don't know if you can see in here. I've got a bracket and I just screwed it to the leg and then bolted it on in there. Once again, put a bit of wood behind it, it's like a washer. So I've just got to tighten them up because, as I said, I don't have a spanner. But anyway, hope you liked it so far. This is what I'm going to do for a while. I wanted this done because I wanted the bed in it. Everything else can wait. I can soundproof it and insulate it in my own time. But I just wanted this bed, and obviously the bed's removable by those things there. I just put a bit of felt on that one. You can see that bit of felt here, that just to cover up the bolts and so I don't hit myself on it when I'm asleep or whatever. But you can just undo the bolts from behind and it's fine. Yeah, anyway, bye for now.